had some rain bars made. They didn't work very well, unfortunately. So we wound up just using the cider brewery's industrial pressure hose.
We needed someone to stand over it, you know, with a hand over the nozzle to spray water, basically. And for reasons I can't quite remember, I ended up doing it. It was just dribbling down my thumb and just dribbling down my arm. My arm was just numb.
Is this a typical night out for you?
We got 2 more moves. 2 more moves. Okay.
Great, I don't think it's gonna last.
Great, warm down here.
Between takes, the actors had to keep bashing their sides back into shape because they just kept getting bent during the fighting.
The rain fight itself was quite a difficult one. I couldn't see where I was fighting because of the hood of the costume I was wearing. But I felt even more sorry for Johnny because he had to wear the wet clothes that I'd been fighting in to complete the scene.
When was it, 4 o'clock in the morning? By the time they actually needed to do my bit, Simon disrobed, and then, you know, you just have to put on the most soaking clothes ever.
It seemed that he had instant hypothermia. He was shaking. I thought he was going to be in need of serious medical attention. He was that bad.
But I think overall, from the atmosphere, you just knew that it was going to add quite another dimension to what we were doing.
That's a